Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect a standard studio XLR microphone such as this Shure MV7 via this Focusrite interface to a mobile phone such as an iPhone or an Android phone, as long as it has a USB-C connector. And that's going to vastly improve any sound quality of your voiceovers. Alright, let's get straight into it. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to be connecting this standard XLR microphone. So how do we do that? Well, of course, we just connect the microphone to the Focusrite interface in a normal way, just by plugging it in via the XLR connector. So let me just do that and get it plugged the right way around. There we go. And that goes into the input socket on the Focusrite Scarlett here. Let's get the plug the right way around again. There we go. And now all we need to do is just connect the USB-C connector at the back of the Focusrite into the USB socket on a mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. The process should be exactly the same. So you might get a message up saying, oh, are you connecting a headphone or a other device? You just need to connect other device and then go to your audio app. So I've just got Road Reporter here, which is a free application for recording. And notice at the top it says Scarlett Solo USB. So that's my Focusrite Scarlett here. So it's already connected, and of course I don't actually have any levels because although we've got power on the unit, as you can see here, I haven't actually got the microphone input levels set. So just, of course, I can just need to turn that up. We'll make sure I've got my 48 volts power, so that is now switched on, and now I can just turn on my volume, and I should then be able to talk into the microphone. Let's just get a bit closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you should be able to see the levels appearing on the application. So the actual microphone is actually going straight into the iPhone. So if I just turn the volumes up a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the microphone is now connected to the Focusrite, now connected to the mobile phone. The levels appearing on the application, and the actual volume levels are quite low, just because obviously the microphone is not actually facing me, and also I actually have a little amplifier to help boost the signals. But all intents and purposes, the XLR microphone is now actually connected to the mobile phone. So of course we can then do a little test, and we'll be able to hear the quality difference with connecting a studio quality mic to our mobile phones. Okay, so this is a test of the Shure MV7 connected directly to the mobile phone via the Scarlett Solo USB connector. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, this is a test of the Shure MV7 microphone connected directly to the iPhone or via the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hope that video is useful, and once again, of course, if it is, don't forget to hit that lovely big subscribe button, and I shall see you soon on another video like this. Take care.